Here I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change icon's shape on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download this app X Icon Changer from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Here you have to select an icon which you want to change, for example Chrome. Here you have different icons with different themes. You can also upload your own image and set it as its icon. I'll just select one of these ones. Then you have to tap OK, watch an ad, and then tap Add automatically. And after that, this icon will be added on your home screen, and as you can see, it works exactly like the Chrome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.